what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. All right guys, I am coming to you today with a revised eyebrow tutorial video with some new products. Well, newish, I would say. So let's just hop into it. I'm gonna show you guys quickly how it takes me all of 5 minutes to do my eyebrows. I'll show you here. Actually, I'm wearing, this is not when I originally filmed doing the eyebrows, but this is actually today. But I'm showing you guys what I look like without my brows, and then at the end of the video you'll see my brows. I literally, if anything, I'll wear eyebrows and earring. All right, so what I do is I start by kind of brushing out my eyebrows with the spoolie on the other end. I'm trying to watch here as I talk to you guys, and I'll brush out with the spoolie, and I start at the bottom of my brow and I just kind of draw out how I want the shape of my brow to look. Usually I'll do either what I call the casual brow, which is like just straight across. I don't have a casual brow on today, but usually my casual brow is straight across, or I'll do the hook like I'm doing today, just a small hook, nothing too long, just stops right at the orbital bone. And I start, but I fill in the end of the eyebrow, and then I go in and do short strokes up into the middle, and then I fill in the end pretty dark. And the reason why I do that is if you look at your natural brows or someone that has thick brows, the brows are usually darker on the ends and kind of more sparse and light towards the inside. So I try to mimic that same style for my faux natural brows. What I started to do that really makes the brow pop out is to add concealer once I'm finished. What the concealer does is it cleans up any mistakes that you made, and it really just makes your eyebrow look like you just got your eyebrows waxed. So, and if you know, whenever you get your eyebrows waxed, it looks a lot lighter under there because the hair has been shaved in the sun. So it's like you showing off your tan. So that's what it does. And sometimes if I want to get fancy, I'll put it on the top as well, but I did not do that today. So I'm using the, what is this? This is the number 12 by Juvia's Place. It's the Juvia's Place. And then also sometimes I'll use my Merit Beauty foundation concealer wand. I didn't use that today, but that's what I usually use. And then I'll go in with this amazing brow. It's kind of like a brow mascara. It's by Merit as well, and I'll leave the links to all these things in the description box. The Merit link will be affiliate, but the Juvia's Place is not. But yeah, I love this Merit brow. It's a little pricey, but I feel like it really helps to make my brows look wispy in the areas where it needs to be wispy, and kind of locks them in the areas where it needs to be locked in. All I do that to kind of finalize my brow. Oh, and be sure when you do the concealer to blend. Don't blend it so much to where it looks like your skin tone, but blend it to where it's still light, but to where it's not too light. All right guys, here are the final results. Something about eyebrows just really make your face look put together. I think that is it guys. If there's anything that I missed, I will do it in a voiceover, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.